with due respect, the way people when they're dancing, women don't shake their butt. Now they shake their waist. So if you come and be twerking and say it's great, no, it's not. Somebody was posted one video, and I said this is not Ikwerre Dance.
Yeah, I remember.
And some young person got very offended. Yes. And I started writing also. So people were angry. I was not angry. Why was I angry? Because she doesn't know.
Yes.
She doesn't know. I said that dance is not just Ijaw dance. It's in Gepo. Yes. A variant of Ijaw dance. Interesting. But you see, that young lady does not know. So she's speaking to the extent that she knows. So it now becomes our responsibility as older generation to say this is the right thing. Then if you insist on being recalcitrant, then you now know that that's her nature.